going on, y'all? Check me out here, and in my hand I have the new iPhone 12 in purple and the new iPhone 12 and 12 Pro case in purple. So you know what that means. Let's get into it. So I'm excited, y'all, because this purple looks so good in the keynote, and I just want to see what it looks like in person. But for now, so on the box here, we do have a little purple on the front as well as on the sides, and the apple is even purple. So yeah, ooh, this is gorgeous. Y'all should see Cam behind the camera. He's like peering over it, trying to get a better shot. This looks good. I am here for it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I know in my recap video of the keynote, which I'll link in here if you happen to miss it, I said this was like a Barney purple. This is not Barney purple. This is more like a lilac, I would say, a lavender. It's definitely lighter.
Sorbet pastel.
A pastel.
Sorbet pastel.
Who?
Sorbet.
Sorbet. A sorbet pastel, if you will. I'm definitely getting like Easter vibes, spring vibes. I like it. I like it a lot. But aside from the difference in color, you know, this still has the same specifications as the iPhone 12. The unique factor about this is its color. And this purple spills onto the brushed aluminum sides. If you've been eyeing getting the iPhone 12 in purple, I say go for it. Yeah, this looks really good. Let's get into the rest of the box, see if we have any other hidden surprises. So we have the lightning cable, and as you know, Apple did remove the charging brick from here, so that's not in here. And then we just have, you know, the papers. So that is it. Let's get into this case. So this is the new purple silicone case with MagSafe, and this will fit the iPhone 12 and the 12 Pro, and I do have my Gold 12 Pro, so we're gonna test that out in a second. But first, let's get this on the iPhone 12. Okay, I see you. This is the Barney purple right here.
That's Barney right there.
This is the Barney purple. This is plum purple. I like it though, and I can already tell.
The juxtaposition of the two colors. The juxtaposition.
I'm gonna just say the two colors go well together.
Okay.
Let's see. But your screen should light up to let you know you have connected a MagSafe accessory. So with the silicone case, you do have the purple going on top of the buttons as well, a cutout for your mute switch. Overall, this looks good. How do I look, Cam? Okay, oh, you can't even see the phone. Let's go on this side. How do I look, Cam?
Hello?
Hello?
Hey.
Hey.
Are you there?
I am.
How are you?
Guess what I'm holding?
What are you holding?
Purple iPhone.
It's nice and purple, I heard.
It's nice and purple.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, not the hair.
One thing I want to address real quick, because I'm still amazed by it, is the little, you know, razzle dazzle that has been added to this video thanks to Storyblocks. I am so happy that I have been able to improve my videos by using their royalty-free stock assets like exclusive sound effects, title screens, and even social media templates. They may sound like little details, but trust me when I say they make a huge impact to the overall flow of the video. And in the words of India Ari, it's the little thing.
Wait, whose song is that?
India Ari.
Let her sing it.
I've even been able to save a bit of time and money by using their templates for things that I was originally going to outsource for. And so all I have to do is just design it once, and then I can easily add it to my future projects or tweak it when and as needed. And I gotta say, I found that everything's really easy to use. Just search, download, and then drag and drop. Now, I'm sure you could probably tell that I have been enjoying myself quite thoroughly downloading all these things to help spice up my edits, which always to me makes it look like I did maybe a little bit more than I actually did on the back end. I've also found that their subscriptions are super affordable, especially for all of which you get. Plus, on top of that, they have unlimited downloads to over 1 million royalty stock-free assets, including 4K footage, templates, audio, images, and more. Plus, in reference to their library, it's demand-driven, so they are constantly adding new assets. Now, I do encourage you to check them out, as I personally have been super happy with their services. So of course, I'm gonna give you a link down below in the description box that you can use so that we can both enjoy all the Storyblocks has to offer. Now let's try this purple case on my gold iPhone. I think that's gonna look good too. Okay, I totally missed the animation. I heard the sound effect. Let me do that again so we can see what this is supposed to be doing. You can tell that's gonna look good. So with MagSafe accessories, when the iPhone 12 lineup connects to it, it'll give you an audible tone and a visual notification by showing you the MagSafe symbol up here. Now the other comparison that I wanted to give you all in this video is the shade of purple on the iPhone 12 versus the shade of purple on the iPhone 11. So if you do have a purple iPhone 11, the one found on the 12 is a few shades darker. I would say like maybe 2 shades darker, but both look good. But this is definitely more of a softer purple. Now, one of the key design differences between these two is that with the iPhone 11, it has more of a rounded design. You have the rounded sides, you have the rounded corners. Whereas with the iPhone 12, it's more of a rectangular kind of feel, flat sides, rounded corners. And between these two, I have found that I love the feel and the look of the iPhone 12. Both look good, but I like this kind of flat look a lot more than, the iPhone 11. Now this new color for the iPhone 12 is also available for the iPhone 12 mini. And I do have the iPhone 12 mini in black here, full of fingerprints, Lord. Hopefully it's not showing on camera. But for size reference, this is how it looks against the mini. Definitely a huge difference there. But yeah, just a really quick video. I just wanted to unbox it and share my initial thoughts of this with you. However, I do have another surprise.
Not the wink.
Okay, did you peep the wink? Did you see it, Cam? I have the Apple AirTags in-house. So I'm going to be doing a video on these as well. You can drop your questions down below. The video should be hitting my channel tomorrow. So if that's of interest to you, make sure you have hit that subscribe button down below so you can get that notification when the video drops.
Team TMO, stay resilient.
Okay, stay relentless.
Oh.
But I'm gonna wrap this video up here. And as always, thanks for taking the time out to let me tech you out.